Hello, welcome back. This is Morris Dimba, and let's continue with how we can create a curved truss or a space truss. Now, let's add more internal members on this particular curved truss. Now, to add members, we are not able to see the points we had created before. Now, we want to shift to a different draw mode. We'll come to View, then come to Object Draw Mode here, and click Wireframe. So on Wireframe, we'll be able to see the exact points we created before. Now I'll come to Steel here and come to Beam, and I want to add more members here. So I'll snap on that spot here and come all the way to this bottom end here and snap right there. Then snap on the same point and add another member right here. Then again, I'll add another member right there and snap on that spot. Then snap on the same spot and snap on this spot. Then we'll snap on the same spot right there. Then move all the way to that particular end here. Then come here and snap on that spot and come right at the bottom end there. Then I'll move to that spot and move to that spot. Then same spot, then I'll snap on that spot. Then the same spot right there, and I'll move to this particular spot here. Then I'll come to this far end here and create another member right there. Then I'll do the same thing all over. Then I'll just snap on that spot, snap here, then snap on the same spot and snap right there. Then again I'll come on the same spot. Remember, if I move my cursor there, you'll be able to see a red snap, which means I'm in the right intersection, or I'm touching that particular point I had created before. I'll snap on that spot, then snap right there and create another member right there. I'll do the same thing here and create a member right there. Snap right on the same spot and create another member there. Then snap on the same spot right there and create another member there. And snap on the same spot there and create another member here. So I'll move that way all the way till I create everything, or till I finish adding other members on the same spot on the internal section of this particular truss. So I'll come here and snap on that spot and come here and snap right there. I'll come here and snap on that spot and come here and add another member there. Then I'll come here right there and snap on that spot and come right on the same spot at the bottom end here and snap on that spot. So I'll continue adding other members the way I'm doing here, and I hope you try that by yourself. I'll snap on that spot and move this on this section, and I'll snap on that point right there and snap on the same point and add another member and connect it to that end. Then I'll come on the same spot here and snap here. Then again I'll come here, zoom close, and I'll snap on that spot and come closer to my previous spot or point. Now this, if you take a look here, it's kind of mixed, clogged or crowded. So crowded, and I'll come here once again after rotating it. I'll snap on that spot and terminate it there. Snap on the same spot and click on that spot. So I'll continue doing the same thing and create another member there. And come here, snap there, and snap right here. Then we've done that section. So if I turn it around or change my view mode or my draw mode, I'll come to contour solid. You'll be able to see I have my members, my space truss or curved truss in place. You can see that. If I turn it around, you can be able to see that. This is how it looks. Now, you know very well this cannot be welded at the workshop and be carried to site as it is. So we'll cut it into sections, and will be flanged together. I mean flanged joint and be bolted together. So they will be assembled in sections on site. So that's how we'll work, and that's how we'll move forward and show you step by step on how we can do that. Now, since we have created the members in place, let me just turn that round. We can now do away with this all points and do away with the circle. Now I'm going to select the circle here, then right click and come to delete. So if I delete that, I'll be able to get rid of the circle once we have our curved beams or curved top and bottom chord in place. So let me just delete the points here. Delete all the points here. Let me just delete the points here. Select everything and delete. Click that and I'll delete that. Delete that. So let me just select a point of interest, then select everything I want to delete and press delete on my keyboard. So you see, I'm only remaining with the points that defines the curve. Now that's how we can work around our way out of this. You can see this is how it looks. Now between the curved truss and the column, we'll create a connection there. I'll show you how we can create that. So let's meet then on the next presentation, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm Maurice Dimba, and bye bye. And first of all, let me just rotate this. Just rotate that. Point of interest is that, and turn that around like that, and you'll be able to see we have these in place. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm Maurice Dimba, and let's meet then.